Hi, I'm Kurt Matthews. I am from Hillsborough, New Jersey, and I own and operate 3 Midtown Chimney Sweeps territories. I chose chimney sweeping because I was watching someone sweep a chimney at my house and I thought it looked interesting, and I was looking for a career change, and I thought, I bet I could do that. That looks like something that I would really enjoy doing. So I kind of looked it up and checked it out. You know, after kind of looking around and checking a few things out, I thought, Midtown Chimney Sweeps looked like a real professional organization, and they had a great franchise system that I could really sink into because I knew I couldn't do something like this on my own. I wasn't gonna be able to start being a chimney sweep or working for somebody else, and that system gave me training. It gave me really great SEO presence so people can search for my business and they find me on Google because of what the franchise does for me. And they have a call center, so when somebody does find me, they see a phone number, they call it, and that's actually the call center that's answering all the calls for me. So while I'm out doing work and making money, they're booking the jobs for me. It was a great support system. So I flew out from New Jersey to Littleton, Colorado to have Discovery Day, which was a 2-day long meeting, and I learned a lot about the process. I got to see hands-on the operation here at Midtown, from the call center. We went over a lot of the value-added pieces that Midtown gives me in my franchise system, the support they give me, like how the SEO works. I got to meet the very people that manage that system and how that works, and it was very informative. I got to learn about the metrics and the business side of the business, the money side of it, and how to manage a business. They're very good in just teaching you and telling you how to run a small business, whether it's franchise or not, but it is a franchise here. And we went over the opportunity a little bit deeper and went through the financial disclosure document. And I gotta say, it was very helpful, very informative, and just answered so many questions that one might have, and I did have, flying out here not knowing, just everything I was getting into. So I was really, really glad to have done that. The thing I like most about Midtown Chimney Sweeps franchise is the things I'd hoped would come true, and that really was the call center and the SEO work. My business is being found. I get like 3 to 4 jobs a day normally, and on heavy days I get 6 or 7 jobs a day. These are bookings. These are jobs that show up in my system that I'm going to be doing in the next week or two. That is working like a charm. In the call center, I get such great comments from my customers on how nice the call center people are, how informative they are, they answer their questions. So those 2 things, again, are just so important, and I couldn't be happy with the way it's working for me. The franchise system that Midtown built works as advertised. It is everything I'd hoped it would be. It's everything I was told it would be, and it's completely working for me. I couldn't be happier.